Elichmann malleable iron liquid tight connector 45-degree type is a type of electrical connector used in various applications. It is designed to provide a secure and reliable connection for liquid-tight flexible metallic conduit. The 45-degree angle allows for easier installation in tight spaces or where a straight connection is not possible. It is typically made of malleable iron, which offers good strength and durability. The connector is commonly used in industrial, commercial, and residential settings for applications such as wiring motors, machinery, or outdoor lighting.